So this is the Spark 2. It's got bigger screen, smaller bezels, and you know what? Let's take it a step back. Hey guys, it's Tecno here, and this is the Spark 2. And yeah, it's the successor to the Spark, obviously, or should I say the K7. And looking at the specs briefly, you might be inclined to think that the Spark and the Spark 2 are similar, but you know, the Spark 2 actually has seen a couple of upgrades. For example, the screen is no longer 5.5, you now get a 6-inch screen along with an 18:9 aspect ratio. And that combination makes the phone feel really tall and very slim. And there's also the fact that this is quite light. It comes in at 156 grams. Unfortunately, you might have a problem with the resolution and probably the build. So the Spark 2 comes with HD+, slightly similar to what we get with the Spark, but you know, this is 18:9x, the reason why it's using HD+. And yeah, it also uses a plastic build that is quite a fingerprint magnet. But luckily, Tecno has included a unique case. I mean, this is the first time I'm actually seeing a case that looks like this. Now, here is one reason why I think you might not be so pissed about the HD thing, and it's with the application. So the Spark 2 actually uses Android 8.1, but not just any Android 8.1, it uses the Go Edition version. And what that means is that you get access to Go applications like YouTube Go, Google Go, and other Go's. And so because of that, you can't actually choose HD, Full HD, or 4K options on the YouTube Go on the Spark 2. So still on the Go Edition, the Go Edition has been fine-tuned and optimized to work with 1 GB of RAM devices or less, and that is what the Spark 2 has. 1 GB of RAM and 16 GB of RAM. Thankfully, they retain the dedicated microSD card slot, and trust me guys, you're going to need it because the Spark 2 has 16 GB of RAM, but you only have about 11 GB of available storage. However, there's one thing that the Spark doesn't have, and it's with the software update. So Google is promising that most Go Edition devices will get access to timely software updates. So there's a big chance that the Spark 2 might be upgraded to Android P. So yeah, keeping my fingers crossed on that one. So the Spark 2 has been upgraded to 8MP, and based on my first impression, I think it's not bad at all. You know, the exposure thing is still there, but it's not a bad looking camera. But more on this in my full review, of course. And yeah, beside that, you have another thing that has been upgraded. So you have the quad LED flash instead of a single LED flash. Now there's still proximity sensor and all of that, but there's something that I thought was missing. I thought the notification LED was missing on the Spark 2. However, when I charged my Spark 2, I saw it, which makes me wonder why it doesn't come up when I get missed calls or missed notifications. Now, switching to the back camera real quick, you get a 13MP back camera, but beneath that, you get an upgraded LED flash. So instead of the single or dual, you actually have a ring light flash. So it means that the Spark 2 will be quite good in low light conditions. And yeah, there's a fingerprint sensor and an upgraded 3500 mAh battery capacity. Now beneath all of that, you have the micro USB port, not micro USB Type-C unfortunately. There's a earphone jack and there's these mono speaker grills. Tecno has also included Face ID to the Spark 2, which, you know, it's a welcome addition. I mean, I can't complain about that at all. So guys, that is pretty much my first impression of the Spark 2. I think this is a phone for people who are looking for a decently priced smartphone that also goes in line with current trend. You know, 18:9 aspect ratio, Face ID, and all of that. But yeah, let me know what you think about it. I don't know about the price for now, but I'll update this maybe my comment when I get that info. And guess what guys, I'll be giving away one Spark 2 to one lucky winner. One Spark 2 to one lucky winner. But yeah, I'll give away one Spark 2, and all you have to do is just follow the rules in the description box below. And yeah guys, I'll see you in my next video. Take care.